What's up guys, David Barnett from Raleigh Dent Company here, and today we're at Raynor Shine Auto Works in Clayton, and we've got a Ford Raptor in here with some minor damage in the bottom of the door. No problem at all. We'll just take the door panel off and see if we can access it through there and enjoy. Got a small ding right here in the bottom of the door, right on the body line, no issues at all. There's also a little dent right in here as well. Alright, so our approach is going to be to remove the door panel. There's just various screws around it. It'll come right off, and then we should have open access once we get a few things moved around, and we'll start the repair. Alright, so now that we got the door panel open, we got this big hole right here. All I've got to do is pull the liner back, and then we have complete access. So we got the first dent done right down here in the bottom. Okay, so we'll do a pan shot of that so you can see the before and the after. Now we got to move on to the second one. With the Raptor. We're going to go and put the door panel on, plastic on, and she's ready for the customer to come pick up.